Good evening everyone. I hope you all are doing well. And this is the video where we'll be talking about how we forgot that this is the comfortable space where we can speak anything about. And this was the only reason that we started, right? Then why we stopped? We knew that this is the comfortable place where we can talk about anything, where we can take out anything that we want. Then why are we not doing it? Why are we taking everything in our mind? If we have some space to share what we are feeling, why we are not doing it? And sometimes we work very hard on ourselves. We try to force ourselves in a way where it is not at all necessary, and as a result we get nothing. Because we have to understand, if we are forcing something, it will never give you anything in positive as a return, and we have to understand this. At the end is a force, right? You're forcing yourself, you're not loving yourself, you're not understanding your self-worth. It is very important to understand your self-worth, understand yourself and love yourself. Your body deserves all the love. If you think that you'll work on yourself very hard and you'll achieve something, I'm so sorry. At the last, it will only irritate your personal, your mental health and your internal health. And at the last, as a result, you'll get nothing as positive. It is very simple how we try to work very hard on our weaknesses. It's very good that you're working on weaknesses, but don't be very harsh on yourself. Don't try to force yourself in that way. It will never lead you to good things. I know it will be very hard for everyone whosoever is trying to work hard on their weaknesses and want to convert that weakness into their strength. We should do that as well. However, we have to give ourselves some time. We have to understand ourselves. What are the good things that we can achieve and what are the bad things that can also happen? We have to be ready for both of the things, right? And yes, I came here to talk about the recent scenario that happened. I tried very hard in those 2 months to work on myself. It helped me, for sure it helped me. When you give yourself enough amount of time, enough amount of observations, if you give yourself your 100%, it will be for you, right? At the end, it is not something that someone can steal from you. It will be your. Don't worry about this. However, I forced myself. I was very harsh on myself, and it led to self-doubt, overthinking, and I'm not complaining about it. It was important to push myself towards my dreams. It was important to work on myself, to understand myself better, because it's all about my life, right? And until and unless I will be aware about my weaknesses, my strengths, how I'll be able to work on myself, right? However, being so harsh, it was not necessary. It was not mandatory. I I could do those all things in a linear, in a calm way as well. And yes, I realized it after so long when I got IBS. And at the end, nothing mattered. Everything went in vain. No, I'm not saying that nothing gave me the positive results. It gave, for sure. Now I'm able to speak to you. Now I'm in a state where I can share my thoughts with you. It's all positive thing, right? I know that I will be ready for upcoming things super soon. I am right now. However, I wanted to share these all things with you because I forgot this is the safe space where I can talk about anything, where I can speak about anything that is in my mind, anything that's making me uncomfortable. And I forgot the main motive of starting this channel, and now I am able to recall it. Now I am able to make myself understand that yes, it's me, it's for me. And in the journey, if you are being selfish for yourself, there is nothing wrong in it, because it's you, it will be you, and it was you. So let's stop talking now, and I will see you in another video with the positivity, with the right mindset. So have a good day. Bye.